Human capital development is ensuring that even the engineer continues to get refreshed as technology changes. Human capital development is making sure that our medical graduates continue to specialize in neurology and other sectors, even though they would have graduated at a certain tier. Human capital development is research and development in our people. Today, we've got universities, whenever we go around, exhibiting peanut butter and Masawu jam, and we are calling it innovation. No, that's us regressing. The day we stop importing machinery for industrial use in our factories from China, from Germany, from Italy, and that machinery is designed, it is developed, robotics empowered, AI empowered at our universities, then that's innovation. That's human capital development. So we went a step further and said today we have a challenge. When we say tourism, the African mind, what you start thinking when you talk of tourism, you think of Arungu. That is the African mind. The African mind does not believe that when you leave Bulawayo to come to Harare, you're a tourist. Once, no, you mean you're a tourist. That's what we say.
Looking for professional home care support for your loved ones? At Sheltering Arms Community Care, we provide compassionate care for the elderly, people living with disabilities, and those needing mental health support. Our services include home care, live-in care, hospital assistance, respite care, medication management, and life skills development. We also offer an alcohol and drug rehabilitation facility, helping you live independently with dignity and confidence. Visit us at Falcon Estate, Teen World Harare, or call us or visit our website on the information displayed. Sheltering Arms Community Care, fostering independence, improving lives.